Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to make crispy and delicious hash browns. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or brunch and it's super easy to make. To start, you'll need to gather your ingredients. 2 large potatoes, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First, wash and peel the potatoes. Use a box grater to grate the potatoes into a bowl. Add the chopped onions and mix everything together. In another bowl, beat the egg and add the flour, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until you have a thick batter. Add the egg mixture to the bowl with the grated potatoes and mix everything together until the potatoes are coated in the batter. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, drop spoonfuls of the potato mixture into the skillet and flatten them out with a spatula. Cook the hash browns for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and crispy. Transfer the hash browns to a plate lined with paper towels to remove any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy and delicious hash browns that are sure to be a hit at your next breakfast or brunch. Thanks for watching.